welcome back to yet another video here at Yummy with Mommy. Today we'll be showing you how to make spicy sweet and sour chicken wings. So here we have 3 pounds of chicken wings, as you can see, and we will be cooking this in the frying pan. We're not going to be adding any oil. It's going to be cooking in its own fat, and we'll be doing that for 15 minutes. So no oil, once again, just add the chicken wings in your pan, and you'll want to cook it on medium to high heat for 15 minutes, just so it cooks with its own fat. And these have the skin already on them. Welcome back. So here we're showing you what the chicken wings should look like when you have it cooked in its own fat for about, we had this cooking for 20 minutes or so. You can see it's got this crispy brown shade, kind of oily, greasy texture to it, the skin, and this is perfect because now we're going to start adding the ingredients. So we're going to add 1 tablespoon of blended ginger, just like that. And if you don't know what that is, or if you don't have any of that, it's simply ginger that's blended with a mix of water, and that's the end result, as you see there. And next we're going to be adding some spring onion that's nicely chopped up. In our case we had 2 spring onion. So if you're making the same amount of chicken wings, which is 3 pounds, you can also have 2 spring onions. We're also going to be adding a bunch of coriander leaves to the mix, just like that. Mix that all in. Next we're going to be adding a tablespoon of soy sauce. Any soy sauce will do in this case, light or dark, whatever you have is fine. And next we're going to be adding a tablespoon of teriyaki marinade. This is something you can pick up at your local Asian supermarket wherever you live. It's pretty easy to find. It's simply a teriyaki marinade, so 1 tablespoon of that to the mix. Finally, we're going to be adding a tablespoon of hoisin sauce, or a little bit more. If you like your chicken wings sweet, on the sweeter side, feel free to add more of this, maybe 2 tablespoons, but in our case we're just going to be adding 1. And we're also going to be adding some sweet and sour sauce, as you see there, into the mix. All of these ingredients, these sauces I've shown you here, can all be found in your Asian supermarket, wherever you live. Last but not least, to give it some kick, we'll be adding a teaspoon of red chili powder. Again, this is something you can either go light or heavy on, depending on how chili you like your food, and if you don't like it too chili, then maybe add half a teaspoon. And mix it all up. We're going to be cooking this again on high heat for at least another 10 to 15, maybe 20 minutes. Finally, this is what it looks like after being cooked for 15 to 20 minutes with the ingredients we added. This is what you should be getting as the end result. So it's a pretty simple recipe, and it's different from the typical fried chicken wings you find everywhere else. So try this one out and let me know how it turns out for you. Leave a comment below. If you're new to this channel, subscribe. And if you enjoyed this recipe, hit the like button. We will see you in the next video.